Hedgehogs, small nocturnal mammals belonging to the family Erinaceidae, are creatures that fascinate due to their uniqueness, curious behavior, and the natural elegance of their movements. Found across much of Europe, Asia, and Africa, these animals have adapted to a wide variety of environments, from temperate forests to countryside landscapes and even urban gardens. Despite their charming and harmless appearance, hedgehogs play a crucial role in ecosystems, helping control insects and small invertebrates and acting as indicators of environmental health. Hedgehogs have an evolutionary history dating back approximately 15 to 20 million years during the Miocene. These mammals evolved to combine defense and agility, becoming one of the most iconic and recognizable species among small predators of the undergrowth. Historically, hedgehogs have been admired and studied since ancient times. In many European and Asian cultures, they were symbols of protection, wisdom, and caution, thanks to their ability to defend themselves by curling into a ball and shielding their body with a coat of spines. When we look at their structure and biological features, hedgehogs have a compact body that's covered with spines. These spines act as a natural shield, protecting them from predators like foxes, owls, and even stray dogs. Now their head is softer and more mobile, and it houses particularly developed senses. Both smell and hearing are crucial tools for hedgehogs, helping them locate food and detect any danger nearby. So, talking about their size, their length usually ranges from 20 to 30 centimeters, and their weight can be anywhere between 400 and 1,000 grams, depending on the species and age. Even though they might look a bit clumsy at first glance, hedgehogs are actually pretty agile. They're capable of moving quickly through vegetation, and they can dig small burrows to use as shelter. Hedgehogs are primarily insectivores, feeding on insects, earthworms, snails, and small invertebrates. But hey, they may also supplement their diet with fruit berries and small plant matter. It's quite an interesting mix, wouldn't you say? Their nocturnal activity helps regulate insect populations, making them valuable allies for agriculture and natural gardening. It's pretty amazing how these little creatures play such a crucial role, isn't it? Their feeding behavior is closely linked to seasonal rhythms. During summer and autumn, they accumulate fat reserves to face the winter hibernation period. This hibernation can last from a few weeks to several months, depending on the climate. Quite the survival strategy, don't you think? Hedgehogs reach sexual maturity at about 9 to 12 months of age. The mating season usually lines up with spring and early summer. Females generally give birth to 4 to 7 young, known as hoglets, after a gestation period of roughly 35 to 40 days. At birth, the young hedgehogs are covered with soft spines that, harden within just a few hours. They grow really quickly and, after about a month, start to explore the outside world with their mother guiding them along the way. The average lifespan of wild hedgehogs is typically between 3 and 7 years, although, interestingly, some individuals in captivity can live well beyond 10 years. Defense: the hedgehog curls into a tight ball, protecting the most vulnerable parts of its body. Hibernation: they slow down metabolism and vital functions, surviving for months without active feeding. Navigation: they possess an excellent sense of smell and can memorize routes in their territory. So when it comes to communication, they actually emit sounds, grunts, and hisses to signal threats or, social interactions. Cultural and historical curiosities about hedgehogs are, honestly, pretty fascinating. In many European traditions, hedgehogs were considered protectors of crops, able to keep harmful insects away. In ancient Greece and Rome, they symbolized prudence and wisdom, inspiring stories and popular fables. Recent biological studies consider them ecological indicators. Their presence actually signals soil health and biodiversity richness in an area. Hedgehogs are not just small mammals with a discreet charm. They are silent guardians of biodiversity, living witnesses to the resilience of nature. Their combination of natural defense, adaptability, and complex behaviors makes them extraordinarily interesting creatures capable of astonishing anyone who observes their nocturnal world. Observing them is to witness a perfect balance of strategy, survival, and natural harmony. It's really a living lesson in adaptation and resilience that reminds us how precious every small living being on our planet is.